Alex Gerbic, a leader ready to climb to new heights. A 5-year marching band member with experience playing multiple instruments across the southeastern Dayton area. Having experience in many rigorous leadership camps, he is a leader in the home and ready to take his knowledge to lead on the field. A man not afraid to try new things, even if it means embarrassing himself in front of family and friends. His mother graduated with drill writer Michael Gaines, and his father is a trained pianist. He believes it is now his time to step up and make his mark in the music industry, at least in Bellbrook. Involved in many service projects across the city, he promises to be one of the greatest leaders ever known to mankind. Alex Gerbic is ready. Are you?
Vote for Alex Gerbic, Drum Major 2013.